It is literally wild that this is still here. This is our backyard, day number 3. Snow everywhere still. Look at that icicle. Whoa. That is crazy.
You drop that in your Coke.
You could drop that in your Coke. Some ice. Okay, now it's melting. And it's turning really nasty. But it's 12 o'clock. And we should start freezing again in a few hours. We will still have some left on the ground tonight. But I'm going to go check out the roads right now. Here's the road. Let's look at it. Oh gosh. There's still ice right here. It's snowy. Look. Super snowy still. And then this is the street. Pure ice. Pure ice. Still, day number 3.